Ate Voice ganda.
Ate Voice, ganda.
Ate Voice.
What is it? What do you want to
My
say?
dad said that you are the most beautiful horse in the world.
Hindi ka ba tinuturo mo, Jason? Talaga ba tinuturo mo, Jason, ha?
Hindi horse, hose.
At saka, di ba, sino ba inaanak ko dito sa mga anak mo?
Yung
Lahat yan,
nasabi.
lahat.
Stella daw, Stella.
Yung maliit, yung maliit.
I am your ninang.
I like your hair. It's so beautiful. And your face, I like your makeup and you're so beautiful.
Thank you very much. Don't listen to what your dad is telling you about me, ha? You want my hair? I will send this later to you, ha? Oh, what's your address?
Ay, hindi ay.
Hindi on. I am your... Do you know that I am your ninang?
Hindi ay.
No, I am your ninang, but it's okay that you don't know.